everyone. So we just want to do a quick review on the MBRP 4-inch exhaust, the straight pipe that we put on the Cummins not too long ago. We've had it on the truck for a couple thousand miles now, a few road trips across Texas, no towing or anything like that, but we have really enjoyed it. There's a couple things that we aren't necessarily the biggest fans of. The exhaust does drone at around 2200 RPM, so I think if we did end up towing sometime in the future, that would be an issue. But for our current applications, we don't really have any problems. So we just have some footage of a quick little cold start, some up and down the road pulls. We're not really going to do much talking. Just want to get you guys a feel of what it sounds like in the cab, what it sounds like going down the road, and what to expect. Overall, we love the exhaust. It's not that expensive. It was really nice, really transformed the way the truck sounds, and first thing we've actually ever done to the truck. So really looking forward to a few thousand more miles with it before we make any changes, and we hope you guys enjoy. Thanks. So now we're just going to do a little bit of in-cab sound, probably try to get up to highway speed and just see what it sounds like in here. Usually we don't have any issues. I drive on the highway to go to work, 75 to 80 miles an hour. We don't have any droning problems, but around 2200 RPM or 85 to 90 is where you start to get that drone, and it gets to be a little bit overbearing. So I try to stay below that RPM range, but it's really not that bad for just everyday driving. I'm sure going up a hill, towing a trailer might be a little bit different, but for my current application, it's not an issue. So we're just gonna get up to speed here. I'll try to get up to around 60. Show you what it sounds like in here. The air conditioning is off, radio's off. All right, going 40, 50, 55, 60. So as you can see, not very much noise at all from the exhaust. If anything, the engine's louder than the exhaust is. The only problems you might run into is if you have a cold start in the morning and you have to go to work early. So now this is the droning that we usually get when we go down the highway. It's around 2200 RPM, so we're going to try to simulate that here. This is as loud as it gets in the cab. Not too bad. So now I got the windows down. Just gonna do a little windows down. No heavy driving, just driving like we normally would. $30. 40. 50. 55. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Give us some ideas in the comments for what y'all want to see done to the Cummins next. and just tell us where you want to see these types of videos go. If this was a helpful review, kind of left it up to y'all on what you think of the sound. And that was the first filming that we've done with our new GoPro, so hopefully the sound came through nice and there wasn't any issues. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.